Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ABRP device pairing with car, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the ABRP device pairing with your car, follow these steps carefully. Start by opening the ABRP app on your mobile device. Navigate to the settings menu, located typically in the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the option labeled pairing or connected devices. Select the option to manage your devices. You should see a list of all devices currently paired with your car. Identify the device you want to disconnect. Tap on the device name to access pairing options. Choose the option to unpair or disconnect. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the device is unpaired. Next, go to your car's infotainment system. Access the settings menu on your car's display. Find the section for connected devices or Bluetooth settings. Locate the ABRP device in the list of paired devices. Select the ABRP device to highlight it. Choose the option to forget or remove the device from your car. Ensure the device is no longer listed in your car's paired devices. To finalize the process, restart your mobile device and your car's infotainment system. This will ensure that all settings are refreshed. You have successfully uninstalled the ABRP device pairing with your car. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.